Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Several days ago, maybe even yesterday, I made a video on a text that has flames. And the text is cool. And then somebody asked me, could you not use the flame to make a flame? And yes, you can. So I just typed out a little bit of the alphabet, and I got this font from DA Fonts, and it is cool. Just so it's Hot Librarian. So we're going to use this. We're going to use this E. So I don't have to do anything to it. I'm just going to left click, right click, and I am going to smart fill all the parts of the E, and I am going to nudge them down as I do it. I'm going to take the smart fill tool and grab that, nudge it down, grab that, nudge it down, and grab that, nudge it down. So now I have three parts of a flame, but we want them together. So what you can do then is left click, right click, and there's plenty of ways to draw flames, but this is pretty easy. To make this solid, I would grab the 3-point curve line. Don't worry too much about, how it looks. Even though I'm kind of drawing straight lines, I'm going to use the 3-point curve here in just a second. Now I'm going to join this flame right here that I do need the 3-point curve line. And don't worry about it. Just kind of make it kind of match. And then go here to here. Make it kind of match. We're going to fix any roughness anyway. I'm going to take the virtual segment delete key and delete those joining lines. And then take my smart fill tool. And I'm going to fill that in, and there's got a flame. Now I nudged it over too far, but now this is a solid piece. I'm going to left click, right click, get an outline, and that way I can see kind of the roughness like right here. If you have X7 or above, you have the smoothing tool. Just click on it and smooth it, and look how good it smooths out that flame. And you could do a lot with it. Let's it's less than 2 inches. Let's change our nudge factor to 2. And let's make a duplicate and show you what also you could do with it. So first of all, we're going to take this and we're going to fill it with red. Take away the outline by right-clicking. We've got it selected. I'm going to grab the interactive fill tool and just go upwardly. Now you could do a lot with this and put an orange up top. You could put a yellow up top. You could put an orange in the middle. And do a lot with that. It really shows up if you were going to print this on a dark shirt. Let's say you're going to print it on a navy blue shirt. I mean, look how that flame really stands out. Now, the reason I made a copy, because you could change this any way you wanted to now. I'm going to make a plus. I hit the plus key on the keyboard, and I can move the second one. That's a little bit too symmetrical. But now if I take both these and weld it, that doesn't look so good, but there's a lot you can do with this. Let's see what this looks like. You never really know until you weld it. Nah, not too bad. Fill it in with the smart fill tool. And there you have another flame. Of course, I would fix stuff before I did it. I got a pretty rough spot right here. You could do a number of things. Just take the shape tool and just grab that and then delete this node and delete that. Well, you can use the virtual segment delete key to delete that. And you could even take it further. Let's make this, let's take the smoothing tool. That's a little big. Let's reduce it to like 1 inch. Let's grab our object right there and kind of smooth that out. Now, if you wanted this flame here to continue up there, very easily just take your shape tool. You've already got a node right there. Whoop, I want the shape tool. Add another node. Add another node. And then take the, whoop. I must have not added a node. And then just take that and make that flame continue. And you can make it sharper if you like, have a little spin on it. maybe bring this in. And then when you take the Smart Fill tool, so you could do a lot with this font to make a flame. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.